Bugayong. Nag-aaral po ako sa Lyceum of Apari, Cagayan, and I am a criminology student, third year college. Shout out po kay Sir John Kevin Agoto na siyang nagpagawa sa amin ito, sir. And we know naman po na this is part of our lesson. And guys, this vlog is for academic purposes only. So, the question is, what qualities of a leader do you possess? And how can you apply it during this type of pandemic? So for me guys, as a leader, I have 3 qualities that I can apply during this time of pandemic. That is self-awareness and the learning agility and the self-discipline. So, tuklasin po natin kung ano yung mga bagay na yan, kung bakit involves po during this time of pandemic. So, when we hear about pandemics, it involves our life. So, self-awareness, dyan napapasok po yan. Dyan napapasok yung self-awareness. So, self-awareness ay makakatulong to be aware what happening, and to be aware what needs to do. So, malaking bagay po ang self-awareness para makaiwas po tayo during this time of pandemic. Second is the learning agility. So, ano nga bang learning agility? So, pag narinig po natin ang learning agility is the ability of a leader na makapag-develop or kayang makapag-grow ng isang bagay. So, which means it can develop or it can utilize a new strategies to prevent this type of pandemic. Para makaiwas po tayo o para maiwasan ang paglaganap ng COVID-19. Pangatlo, self-discipline. So, self-discipline. Alam naman po natin ang self-discipline ay ang disiplina sa sarili. So, meron po tayong goals ngayon during this time of pandemic, di ba? The primary goals is to destroy that pandemic. Tama po ba? So, how can we do that? Magagawa lang po natin yan kung tayong lahat ay magtutulungan sa pamamagitan ng pagsunod sa rules and regulation ng ating government. So, kailangan makipag-cooperate po tayo. Kailangan po may disiplina po tayo sa sarili. So, self-discipline is the best for this time during this time of pandemic. And huwag po natin kalimutan na magdasal. Because lahat po ng kasagutan or lahat po ng gusto nating malaman ay itanong lang po natin sa Diyos at mararamdaman po natin kung ano nga ba talaga ang hinahanap natin. And remember guys, this vlog is for academic purposes only.